Fix blurry videos on Android with apps and software.
Are you struggling with blurry videos on your Android phone and looking for a solution? In this tutorial, we'll introduce some apps and software that can help you fix those blurry videos and make them look better.
Q. Can I use an app to fix blurry videos on my Android phone?
A. Yes, there are several apps available on the Google Play Store that can help you fix blurry videos. Two popular options are Video Enhancer and Video2me. These apps offer various tools and features to enhance your videos and fix common issues like blurriness.
Q. How do I use Video Enhancer to fix blurry videos?
A. 1. Download and install Video Enhancer from the Google Play Store. 2. Open the app and tap the plus button to import the blurry video you want to fix. 3. Select Enhance from the available options. 4. Use the slider to adjust the level of enhancement, then tap Apply. 5. Preview the enhanced video, and if you're satisfied, tap Save to save the fixed video.
Q. How do I use Video2me to fix blurry videos?
A. 1. Download and install Video2me from the Google Play Store. 2. Open the app and tap the video icon to import the blurry video you want to fix. 3. Select Edit Video from the available options. 4. Use the Sharpness slider to adjust the level of sharpness, then tap Apply. 5. Preview the enhanced video, and if you're satisfied, tap Save to save the fixed video.
Q. Are there other software options to fix blurry videos on my computer?
A. Yes, if you prefer to fix the blurry videos on your computer, you can use software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. These programs offer advanced video editing tools, including options for fixing blurry videos. Fixing blurry videos on your Android phone is possible with the help of apps like Video Enhancer and Video2me. However, for more advanced editing options, you may consider using professional video editing software on your computer. No matter which method you choose, enhancing your videos can significantly improve their quality and your viewing experience.